More news coming in. This has got to do with the developments in Sambhal. The Yogi government tracked down on the rioters. The government to make rioters pay for the damages. Public posters to identify and nab the rioters. Bounty to be announced on the accused. Samar Srivastava getting in more details. Samar, the government has made it clear that you destroy, you pay. That's the order from the government. Tell us, how is that going to be implemented though?
Well, exactly. We have seen earlier also when Yogi government has initiated this particular thing where posters of those writers who tried to make things disturb in the state have been installed around the roads of Lucknow, and now it's happening in Sambhal where we saw this riot-like situation happening. That violence happening, though it also killed few in that particular thing, but the way the visuals clearly saying that how the rioters trying to damage and destroy the CCTVs cameras installed near the mosque is clearly visible, and that's why now Yogi government has ordered the installation of posters of those rioters who have been identified in the CCTV footages, and these posters will be installed around the roads of Sambhal. First, in order to name shame. Number two, in order to make them identify, because many are who are hiding or who have left that particular place where the entire riot-like situation happened between the police things happened where police team and the rioters came in front of each other, and we saw how firing happened. Not just that, even the recovery of money will the money will also be recovered from those rioters who damaged the public properties, the government properties. We saw how the government vehicles and the bikes were torched, things damaged, shops vandalized. So these things we saw in the visuals of Sambhal, where it was an utter silence around the place, and now the recovery will also happen. Though it's not the first time when this is happening in Uttar Pradesh. We saw this happening during the Kanpur riots. We saw this happening during the Prayagraj, and also especially in the CAA, in the CAA protest that happened in Lucknow. We saw how Yogi government installed posters of rioters in order to name shame them. At that time also, the opposition parties took on the BJP for the same. Now it's going to be worth seeing what the Samajwadi Party and the Congress Party would react to this name shame poster thing yet again happening in Sambhal. Back to you.
Right. Samar Srivastava getting us those details on that big story that he's tracking there from Sambhal as far as the Yogi government's action against the rioters here is concerned. This could be making the rioters to pay for the damages, name, shame identified, and recover the damage, the money from them, says the Yogi Sarkar.